Mandiant Academy is pleased to introduce the Incident Response in Google Cloud course. This intensive 3-day course equips students with the techniques needed to respond to security incidents within a Google Cloud environment. This course equips students with the techniques needed to respond to security incidents within a Google Cloud environment. Through hands-on labs and detailed discussions, participants will learn how to identify and analyze evidence of threats, utilize both native and open-source tools, and implement effective containment and eradication strategies. In these labs, they will focus on the topics to include incident response, understand the NIST incident response process, and apply the MITRE ATT&CK framework. Google Cloud, grasp the core components of a Google Cloud organization. Cloud investigations, effectively use Log Explorer and Log Analytics for cloud investigations. Log analysis, identify and analyze logs related to service account abuse, key creation, storage access, and GKE container logs. Open source tools, utilize open source tools such as Plasso, TimeSketch, and DF TimeWolf. Target audience for this course is intermediate-level professionals responsible for incident response or security alerts within Google Cloud environments. Basic knowledge of Windows and Linux operating systems, as well as Google Cloud or general cloud concepts, is required. If you have any questions, please contact Mandiant-Academy-Sales@google.com. Thank you.